everyone, welcome back to Hollow Point Defense. We're going to tear apart or field strip the FPC 22, show you how it goes back together for those of you that need to know. So let's get started on this. You don't need to see me as much, but we're going to show you the gun, so I'll be out of the picture for the most part, which is probably a better thing. Let's go. So here's the FPC 22. So the first thing we want to do is make sure there's no magazine in it and that the bolt of the action is clear of any ammunition. I took a look, make sure there's nothing there, let this go. So to start the teardown process, we are going to remove the buttstock. This central latch right here, as I push down on the gun with slight pressure, I'm going to pull the central latch, the rifle will come out. There's your storage tube right here. And then inside there's a spring. If you want to take the spring out to check it, clean it, just put a finger in there because it's way down in there. I use the middle. Pull your central latch out and the spring will come right out. Don't just drop the spring in there because that central latch is actually protruding through it. Won't let it go down. And when you go to rebuild it, you're going to have a lot of issues. Pull the central latch. That spring will go all the way down. Nothing for me to clean, so I just put my storage tube back in, push that to the side. Now the next thing we want to do is take out our frame tool. It only goes one direction, so if you see on here, I'm pulling it from the right side of the gun. I'm twisting it out and then just pull this out. And of course this will come out. We'll take that out for a minute. There's a block right here that keeps this from rotating either way. It only comes out one way, just as I showed. Twist it to the right. So here we go. And the next thing you want to do is, see right here, you have your cross pin. All you need to do is take the frame tool, so I took it out, just press it through from the other side, pull it out. You can put that in or out from either side, it does not matter. I'm going to pull the charging handle back till I can take it off. Pretty easy. It captures right in here. Little unlike the FPC had channels here. This one actually connects inside here. A little bit different than the other ones. I just take my frame tool and push the bolt backwards. And there you go. There's the bolt. And if you wanted to, I've already done it. You can crack it, put in your cleaner down the barrel, run your copper brush, then your patches through there to clean out the barrel. And that would pretty much solidify that one. You could spray your cleaner in here, take your rag like I have right here, and clean inside here. And then you could do the same here, put a little cleaner on your rag, wipe it out, because it does get kind of dirty inside the port here. We'll put that to the side. We'll come back to it in a minute. Here's your bolt. It's the same bolt. It does appear the same bolt as the M&P 1522. I don't own one of those, probably won't, because I have the Colt M4 22, but this looks like the same bolt that the 1522 uses. A lot of people just clean it this way and then put it back in, which is fine. But if you want to go inside here to take these out, I just take a fingernail, put it on top of that spring, get the spring below the bolt head there, just let it go back up. You'll do the same thing on both sides. Oops. Get it below the bolt, let it go, and now you have the bolt here. We'll do a disassembly of this later. So there you go. You can clean it out. I've already done it. If you have Q-tips, you can put them in here, and then you can run them down the channel too, because I like to do that on both sides, just to make sure they're clean and free of any obstructions. It had a little dirt on it, but not too bad. But if you're firing a couple hundred rounds, it's going to have a lot. And here you goes on this. We can take this apart, but I'm not going to. There's really no need to. There's nothing in here to really clean. Just clean it up really good. To put this all back together, you're going to decompress the spring, put the ball in first, and then get the spring back inside the bolt head. So we'll get you a little closer, decompress it, ball in first, let the spring go up in there, and now you have your bolt put back together. It's all clean. You can get your rifle. I keep mine upside down so I can work up here with the charging handle. You're going to take this puppy, just put it in there. You're going to take this because it's got to get inside there too. And all I did was put this on the table and rack that. It goes in. Now you have to have your cross pin. You'll put it in. It'll fit on one side but not the other. You have to take your frame tool, put it in that little hole on the other side. All you're going to do is line it up, push right in, and it is done. So we're going to do it. It's working, I should say. Let me get my English right. Put your palm swell back in there. This one's being a pain in the ass. There we go. Take your tool, put it in. Oops, wrong way, dum-dum. And then twist it back in there. Put this back in your tube here, over your storage tube. Pull the central pin, and there you go. We're going to take it off safe. We've already checked it. It's unloaded. We're going to dry fire it just to make sure everything works. That is it. That is a very simple 5-minute take apart and put back together. If you're cleaning, 15 minutes, you should have this taken apart, clean, put back together with no problems at all. A little bit later, we'll do a disassembly of the receiver, taking the barrel off, and we'll look at the trigger system and all that good stuff. All right, if you guys have any questions, post them below. Bye.